y'all, today we're going to be making something a little different. We are going to be making rose pudding. For this we got some sugar, we got some milk, we got some heavy cream, we got some cinnamon, some cornstarch, some ginger, and we have some rose syrup. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, so in a saucepan, we're going to take 2 1/4 cup of milk, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, and we're just going to go ahead and whisk this together until it becomes smooth. Then we're going to place this on a medium-low heat. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of ginger, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Then we're going to take 1 1/2 cups of our heavy cream. We're going to stir this. Then we're going to take 3/4 cup of our rose syrup. And now we're just going to stir this until it begins to thicken. If you notice it won't thicken anymore, take a little bit of cold milk, take a little bit of cornstarch, mix that together, and then slowly add a little bit more in. Until we get that consistency we're looking for. You want a really thick cream where you can pull up your whisk and you can still see the outline and the pattern from the drippings below. Then we're going to shut this off and move to our form. Alright, so you can use whatever form you want. I'm using a Bundt pan that I went ahead and lightly greased to help with the demolding later. But then we're just going to go ahead, pour our mixture in. And then we're going to go ahead and sit this in the fridge for a few hours to set up. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, after a few hours, it's gone ahead and set up. I've already dumped it out onto my plate. Let's ignore the fact that I didn't get it centered. We're just going to ignore that. But if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There is a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.